Okay na? Okay. Kaso nag-feedback. No. Hindi. Hindi na.
Hi. Gab team na Gab.
Sige. Si Mav ba familiar na sa questionnaire?
Oo, sinend ko na din naman yung question sa kanya.
Okay.
Mav, okay ka
Tara,
na?
Game na.
Okay.
Open cam ka na, Gab.
Okay.
Si Mav.
Di ba, parang babasahin ko lang yung ko. Kasi
Yung
may naka-ready na ako.
thoughts mo. Sige.
Sige.
Pero wag mo the way na, yung parang binabasa mo talaga. Ganun.
Pero English siya lahat.
O sige, go.
Yeah. Sige.
Sige. Naka-record naman na yan. Magsa-start na si Gab.
Ang wide.
Okay na?
Sige.
Okay.
Sige, go.
So, game. Ay, Kurt, yung nag-feedback ata yung okay lang yan?
Kurt, try mo mag-mute.
Kahit mag-mute ka lang, tol. Yan. So, yun na. So, good day, everyone. We're here to conduct an interview for our research, Workforce, Tracing Workforce Competence. So, here's the number one question. What activities does the school implement to meet the demands of the industry?
For me, I think the activities that needs to implement to meet the demand of the industry is to do some projects to the students, like real-world projects. Because when you graduated, you will face the reality. As an kind of independent person, I apply my experiences in some of my projects in college, like communicating and how to handle irate people. It helps me to have knowledge on how to handle people.
Okay. So, as you said earlier, giving projects na from the school, pinapractice kayo in the future. So, pwede ka ba magbigay ng isang or activities or projects na ginawa mo to prepare you in the future?
Katulad ng pinapalabas kami sa school para gumawa ng projects and about sa tourism, ganun. Tapos, para... baby. Wait lang, na
Okay lang.
lumalabas kami ng school para gumawa ng... Wait lang. Wait lang Nablock kasi. Ano uli yung tanong mo? I-edit ba to? Or
Um,
tuloy-tuloy na?
edit naman siguro.
Sige, anong tanong?
Um, magbigay ka ng ano, ng example ng sinabi mo kanina na pag nagbigay ng project or activities that would meet the demands of the industry.
Ayun nga, 'di ba nga yung real world projects, yun nga katulad nga nung pinapalabas yung mga students para i-promote lugar, yung mga tourist spot, ganun.
So, second question, what practical skills and experiential learning do we acquire in school to meet the industry demand?
I think offering structured work experiences within companies relevant to student fields of studies because it helps the students to gain practical experience and develop skills that are directly applicable to their future careers.
Third question, do you think tourism education prepares students for the challenges of the modern industry?
Yes, because exposure to real world scenarios allows students to develop problem solving skills and adaptability, preparing them for the dynamic nature of the industry.
So, yung question ko dito, what makes you think na as a student, as a fellow student, na piniprepare tayo ng school natin para sa challenges na parating sa industry na papasukin natin in the future?
Yun nga, tulad nga ng sinabi ko, yung real world scenarios allow student. Kapag, di ba, kapag in-implement ng school yung kung kung ano na agad yung ginagawa ng mga students, kunwari OJT, ganun, may i-apply natin siya sa future work natin, ganun.
Thank you. So, fourth question, what innovative strategies or approaches do you believe can be implemented to enhance competence and proficiency of the students?
I think global collaboration projects because it can promote cross-cultural understanding and communication skills. By implementing this innovative strategy and approach, tourism education can effectively enhance the competence and proficiency of students, preparing them to excel in the dynamic and diverse tourism industry.
Okay. So, I have a question as a fellow student and as a student din. Or anong activities or anong skills ang dapat natin may apply sa atin or may turo sa atin para maging fully prepared tayo sa ating future career.
Wait, wala yung una mong sinabi, hindi ko masyadong naintindihan.
Okay. So, sa tingin mo, ano yung dapat i-enhance pa ng school natin or anong activities they should apply para ma-prepare tayo sa future career natin?
Yun nga, 'di ba as a tourism student, tingin ko mas mag-focus yung school natin or yung department natin sa pag-focus din sa um, wait lang. Hindi
Okay lang.
Okay, sorry ah. Kasi hindi ako prepared sa may follow-up
Okay lang,
question.
okay lang.
So, ayun. Katulad nung sa school namin dati, merong ibang companies na pumupunta doon para i-promote yung company nila. Like yung sa US, ganun. I think kapag yung mga collaborations na yon makakatulong sa mga students na mas ma-build pa yung skills nila and tsaka sa more on communication skills.
So anyway, thank you.
Thank you.
I-edit ba yan?
Mav,
naman eh.
thank you, Mav.
Thank you, Mav. Sorry sa mga
Thank you,
questions
Mav.
na follow-up.
Thank you din.
Thank you. Chat na lang kita, Mav, ha? Thank you.
Sige. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Wala yun, baliw. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.